Brilliant sunsets, pristine beaches, aquamarine skies, Kauai has mastered seduction. But the oldest island in the Hawaiian chain doesn't have to resort to over-the-top luxury or tourist traps to entice. Instead, it appeals to a no-muss, no-fuss type of traveler. Do you prefer rural to resplendent? Kauai is your island. Some would say that you need little more than a good pair of hiking boots, an umbrella, and an adventurous spirit to visit. But we should warn you, you might also need a little cash. Based on analysis of expert and user opinions, Kauai has ranked as best places to visit in April 2024. Best romantic getaways in the U.S. for 2024 recently. Best things to do in Kauai. The Garden Island offers an endless number of fun things to do, whether you're looking to hike, kayak, swim or relax on the beach. By and far the most popular attraction on the island is the one-of-a-kind Napali Coast, which can be seen on foot by hiking the 11-mile Kalalau Trail. It can also be glimpsed from Kauai State Park or observed from the air on a helicopter tour. You can also explore the waters surrounding the coast via one of the best Kauai boat tours, a must-do, according to frequent visitors. After admiring the Napali Coast, consider visiting Wailua River State Park, which is named for the only navigable river in the Hawaiian Islands, or taking a dip in the calm waters of Poipu Beach Park, Anini Beach or Kalapaki Beach. Those more interested in the underwater scenery will be in awe of the views from Kauai Beach or Tunnels Beach. After spending time in Kauai's waters, explore its flora at Princeville Botanical Gardens. Some best hotels in Kauai. Hotel Hanalei Bay. Grand Hyatt Kauai Resort and Spa. Kauai Kia Resort on Peipu Beach. What to eat in Kauai. Classic Hawaiian dishes often come in the form of comfort food and are typically a unique blend of the many different cultures that have immigrated to Hawaii. One of the best examples of this cultural immersion is reflected in a dish called saimin. What appears to be plain ramen is actually a combination of broth, noodles, and green onions which can be topped with anything from sausage to kimchi to dumplings. And also manapua. Resembles traditional Chinese pork buns and are packed with delicious fillings such as sweet potato, barbecue pork or curry chicken, to name a few. For something sweet, sink your teeth into a malasada. Loco Moco is another favorite, comprising a slab of teriyaki-flavored beef that sits on a bed of rice and topped with a fried egg and gravy. Best times to visit Kauai. The best times to visit Kauai are between August and October and from April to June, when the weather is pleasant and airfare and hotel rates drop. If you fancy whale watching, however, this is the time to go as the season generally lasts from January until spring. Getting around Kauai. The best way to get around Kauai is in a car. The bus system, though inexpensive, does not cater to tourists. Taxis are virtually non-existent, though you will see them congregate at Lihu Airport, LIH, which is near the town of Lihu on the southeastern side of Kauai. Some hotels provide free shuttle service to and from the airport. There are direct flights into the Lihu Airport from several North American destinations, but many travelers choose to fly through Daniel K. Inouye International Airport. Safety. Safety in Kauai isn't so much about watching out for crime as it is watching out for Mother Nature. Weather is known to be fickle in Kauai, especially when it comes to rain. It's not unusual for a bright, sunny day to suddenly experience unscheduled downpours. When hiking or going to the beach, it is highly advised to consult local resources about the conditions. It's equally important to be mindful of the weather conditions when at any of the island's beaches. Generally, winter sees rougher conditions unsuitable for swimming. Kauai has put a premium on its natural beauty and prized hiking trails. Enjoy your trip to Kauai with the free guides we mentioned in the video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.